What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. It is currently midnight and I have so much energy. Here's the thing. For the last week, I've had COVID. Yeah, not fun. Do not recommend. It was not fun. I stayed home and I just have not been at the top of my game, obviously. And today is the first day where I felt like I've had legitimate energy again. So I had a solid workout today and I actually left the house for the first time today. And I literally went to my P.O. box at 8 p.m. so there would be no one there, even though I'm literally not contagious or anything anymore. I've gone through my quarantine period, but for my own reasons, I just wanted to go later because I also like going when I don't have to talk to people. You'll have some exciting reviews coming very soon for you guys. I can't wait to get back into review season. And I know that you guys like them too because they're always my most viewed videos. So review season is just around the corner. Speaking of reviews, we have a review right now in this very video. Basically, here's the background of this. I've been meaning to film this video since October. It is June. We literally went into a whole new year and I still haven't filmed it. So Brow Code actually sent me a package with some goodies, and this is the Brow Code Brow Tint Kit and this is the Lamination sample kit. I've never dyed my hair. I literally don't know how any of this works, and that was my biggest issue. Plus it's if I mess up, that's on my face, you know what I mean? So today I'm not gonna dye my brows, I'm gonna laminate them, okay? And if this goes well, maybe I'll build up the confidence to brow tint my brows, and I'll make a whole video on that too. But this is a quality brand, so I'm not too worried about this. And since we're just gonna laminate them today, I'm feeling confident. Anyway, so this is the Brow Code Luster Lamination Sample Kit, okay? Instructions. There's an instruction manual. This is exactly what I need. I don't have brow wax or whatever wrap. What would brow wrap include? This is a cute box. But I don't think the tint kit, no, the tint kit is also missing something. I don't even think I have wax paper. Could I use wax paper? This is so bad. Oh my god. You know what? I have to do this now. Okay, brow wrap. So I don't have brow wrap. So I'm gonna go downstairs and grab wax paper. Okay? I'll be right back. I got wax paper. My mom looked at me I don't even want to know what she's doing. I don't even want to know why she's coming downstairs and grabbing wax paper at midnight, but whatever. Also, I have a pimple patch on my forehead pimple because that thing hurts. Start with washing my brows and actually washing them with face wash, because I had put oil in them to help my brow hairs grow. Okay, it says to start with the lamination adhesive. I got a spoolie too. Okay, here we go. I can't say it smells good. I cannot say it smells good. Okay, that looks good. Okay, this is the perming solution. And then it says to put on my brow wrap. So that's what I'm gonna use. The lamination adhesive is gonna go on first on my other brow. This is actually going a lot better than I thought it was going to, so that's good. I have a timer going too, so that I don't mess up on the time frames, because that's the part that was scaring me the most. Now I'm just gonna brush with the spoolie into the direction that I want it to go. Now we're going perming solution. We're hoping for the best right now. Okay. Yo, bro. Yo, your brows look fire. Who did them? Yo, Beautyless Rose. She's fire. Oh no, my freaking camera is about to die. Of course. I'm just finishing up putting the fixing solution on my brow. And then I'm just gonna apply this and let it sit. Oh shoot, I might have just messed up my brow. One sec. That's what it looks like. But I'm just waiting for this brow to be done, and then it says that this is now the time where you should like wax or pluck, and then once it's done with that, then you put on this for that 2-hour period and then wipe it off. It's like doing really well. Like, I don't know what I was so scared of. This is really not bad at all, so I'm kind of happy with it. I am plucking my brows now. This is hard. I'm not much of a brow plucker. I don't even know like what shape to pluck my brows in. That's how long it's been since I've done brows. Okay, this is the last step. This is the Keratin Nourish. Could you imagine if this was bleach and I had no idea? And I'm just sitting here and I'm thinking I'm putting some really good conditioner. I'm gonna come back in 2 hours and we're gonna wipe this off and I'll let you guys know the tea. Thanks for doing this with me and like hanging out with me. It's been a minute since I've hung out with my YouTube girlies. I'm back, but this time it's 2 a.m. and I still haven't slept yet, but it's time for bed. Like, I would say that was pretty successful. Thank you so much, Brow Code, for sending me the brow lamination and tint. Since the brow lamination went so well, I'm like totally down to tint my brows later. So I'll catch back with you guys in a few days and hey, maybe we'll tint my brows together. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't be afraid to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. And I will see you beauties next video. Bye.